Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. If you are new, and welcome to today's video. In today's video, guys, hey, baby girl is keeping out the files. From back there because wow, desperate times call for the desperate measures, guys. Like this October is calling us to go fishy, go looking for content. And eventually file it. So in today's video, the video that you guys are about to watch, I shot it on the 13th of November 2021, guys. So the plan was to post it, but I think that time I took a break for 1 month on YouTube. So by the time I come back, I was like, you know what, it's old, I'm not gonna post it. Then I just kept those footages for just our memories that we go out with the kids and stuff. But because my phone, baby girl, is editing from my phone, so my phone I too much stuff in it. So I'm gonna put them up so that you guys can enjoy. These are just raw, never seen footage of us there. You'll see. Let me not even say. So you'll see on the title anyways. I want to share that with you just for safekeeping. You know how people always save their pictures on Facebook and stuff. So I'm trying to save these memories on YouTube because baby girl here, she does not want no more stuff in it. So I decided to keep out the video since I'm tired, and then I'm still vlogging, but I feel like these 3 videos gave me a break so that at least I can do other things and just focus my mind on other things because it is very exhausting and stuff. So welcome guys, and thank you for clicking on today's video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy guys. Thank you so much. Hey. Okay, we cross a bridge. Phela mo. O ka se wa ele ngwana ka re. Are mane go silo tata utsi. Eh? Arre. No, arre yo kasi yo bad. Let's go out there. Be careful. Sa go thusa ngwana tshwara plastic e ena le power bank ya ka fish o tshwara speed oje ana o togeletse mo ya ne mola ne a ikemetse skis to Papa, please. Pato.
You wanna go there? Eh? Are you fine?
I grew to just swimsuit one.
Eh?
Papa, it's a more like more. Sana, dula. Dula ka. Punya kwa. Sana kame, Papa. Papa, dir. Jump.
Go.
Yeah, when I'm walking, you are safe.
Walk slowly.
Oh my God. Now I'm becoming scared. No, go now, Tilega. Now, please be careful. Oh my God. Mind your way, stop back up, man. Oh my goodness. Katawa na mo. Kinchu.
वाला प्लेट ये क्या का प्लेट नमना कितना प्लेट
Foto aja belaranya Kim. Testing suara ya Kim. Dito.
मैंने लोगों दूसरी
Skafelo. Are. Ari. Pato. Sekali mana bab?
Okulap, papa,
Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, go, Fido. Go, go, Fido. Good job, Nana. Yay! Yay, Baba. Namel. Good job, Nana. Hurry.